In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export records to PDF using the Gallery View in Airtable. This is a handy skill to have when you want to share your beautifully organized data with others who might not have access to your Airtable base. So let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to navigate to your Airtable base. This is where all your data is stored, organized into tables and views. If you're already familiar with how your base is set up, this should be an easy first step. Simply open your preferred web browser and head over to Airtable, then log in to access your base. Once you're in your Airtable base, the next step is to click on the gallery view that you wish to export. In Airtable, views are different ways to look at your data. The gallery view is particularly visual, displaying your records as cards. This makes it a great choice for when you want to showcase data in a more visually appealing format. So go ahead and select the specific gallery view you need. After you've selected your gallery view, the next move is to click on the Print View option. This feature is crucial because it allows you to format how your data will look once it's printed or saved as a PDF. To do this, look for the print icon or option, usually located in the Views toolbar. Clicking this will open up a new window or dialog specifically for printing. Now that you're in the print view, you'll see various settings that you can adjust to get your PDF looking just right. Here's where you'll want to select your destination. Instead of sending it directly to a printer, choose the option to save it as a PDF. This is typically found in a drop-down menu labeled Destination or something similar. By selecting Save as PDF, you're telling your computer to convert this print view into a digital PDF file. Finally, once you've selected to save as PDF, you'll proceed to download your file. Simply click the appropriate button to start the download. Depending on your system, you might need to choose a save location, or your file might be saved automatically in your Downloads folder. Once the download is complete, you'll have a PDF version of your Airtable records in Gallery View ready to be shared or archived as needed. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your records from Airtable to PDF using the Gallery View. This process not only helps in sharing data easily, but also maintains the visual appeal of your records, making it perfect for presentations or reports. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching and happy organizing!